Welcome back. Well, big heat once again today. The meter turned up to 10. Last August, it was turned up to 11, so we'll take the 10 compared to last year. 100 degrees today, no record being threatened. The record, 102, set on this day last year. 83 beats the old record of 81, and that was set last year. And the ties the second hottest overnight low, which was 83 degrees. 84 is the new record that we set last year. So lots of numbers. Let's get into it and talk about what's going on as we take a look at the upper level pattern. We have the low and Debbie off to the east, high pressure to the north and west. And this high pressure ridge is opening up the door for a little bit of a frontal trough up here in Arkansas. And that's going to be pushing on through as we get into Friday, which hopefully won't bring our temperatures down a whole lot, maybe a couple of degrees, but it'll bring our dew points and humidity down. So that is the good news. Not a whole lot going on. Let's dial into Power Doppler 3 and the regional Doppler radars. Just ground clutter. That's it. No shower activity. Meanwhile, Debbie, still a tropical storm, still producing very heavy rainfall across portions of South Carolina into North Carolina. This area in particular between Myrtle Beach, Laurinburg, and Wilmington has picked up easily 5 to 10 inches of rain during the course of this 12-hour loop, and more rain on the way, and mainly a flood situation. Tornado watch in effect as well as you get to the Outer Banks of the Carolinas. As we get into the tropics, don't see a whole lot going on, but, well, we do see a blob, but usually we don't pay too much attention to these when they're down by the equator or the other side of the equator. But some of this moisture should work northward from the equator and could develop down the line. Models picking up on a subtle feature. Meanwhile, this tropical wave right here moving into Central America, we were tracking that. We thought we might see development there, but National Hurricane Center has brought that down to a 0% chance of development. So good news all around for the tropics for the next week, with the exception of Debbie, which continues to produce very heavy rainfall. Center of circulation right by the Charleston area. It's moving inland now, but you can see on the enhancement those very heavy tropical showers and thunder showers. Eventually weakens below tropical storm by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and then we'll bring rain all the way, and some pretty hefty rainfall and the threat of flooding all the way through upstate New York, pretty much in this cone area, very close to it. That's where you're going to see some of the heaviest rains in this particular situation. So we have Debbie moving off to the north, dry air locally, but notice we get into Monday of next week, we start to see more moisture in the area, so that means a better chance, hopefully, of some scattered afternoon storms, but I wouldn't get too excited about rain chances or rain amounts. The red stays around for a while, and notice the Euro picking up on that system out in the Atlantic. Hopefully that one, if it does develop, curves in the open Atlantic, but there'll be more down the line. Meanwhile, here's the big picture. Temperatures tomorrow right near 100. Here's that frontal boundary. Don't get too excited. It kind of washes out, but notice temperatures behind it. The model's thinking, oh, there's going to be some influence, maybe mid-90s, but I'm going to keep the readings up in the upper 90s, but at least we'll have lower dew points, and that means lower humidity Friday, Saturday, and hopefully last through Sunday, making the weekend a little bit better. Upper 90s to near 100 pretty much across the board. We'll go 100 to 101 in Lafayette. Upper 90s coastal parishes. And then that heat index tomorrow, it's going to be rough. A rough day tomorrow. But watch what the heat indices do on Friday with the lower dew points and humidity. Not quite so bad. Upper 90s, low 100s. So we might get to the point where the temperature and the heat index are very close to the same, which you see out in the desert, but not around here. That heat index prime time between noon and 5, 6 o'clock, it is going to be brutal. So take plenty of breaks, hydrate, and get into some AC if you can, if you're working or playing outdoors. 81 the record for tomorrow morning. We may break another record once again. Looks like 82 will probably be the better call. 100 to 101 for tomorrow. And that heat index up there, we won't set a record tomorrow, but it will be pretty darn hot. Hot into the weekend, but a little bit drier, and we get our lows back down into the upper 70s. Maybe we can go a little lower on those numbers. We'll see, but it stays hot and it gets humid again with the threat of afternoon storms as we get into next week, but rain chances not too terribly high. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up later on.